Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very delicious water leaf and bitter leaf soup. Guys, this is the way Akwa Ibom prepare their own bitter leaf soup. They don't make them like the way we the Easterners make our own bitter leaf soup. Okay, they don't use thickener, they just add water leaf to their bitter leaf soup and it's so delicious. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, and to all my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, here are my ingredients for this soup. Here I have my bitter leaf. I've already washed this bitter leaf. Okay, I've removed the bitterness from the bitter leaf. And here I have my water leaf. I've picked and washed the water leaf too. So here is my water leaf. Here I have my beef. I've already washed the beef. So this is my beef. I'll be using smoked fish too. I smoked the fish myself. And here is my crayfish. So in here I have yellow pepper, red pepper and onions all blended together. You can skip the onions part if you don't like onions in your soup. Okay, so here is my stockfish. I'm just adding this stockfish for the taste to give to the soup. Okay, so we are going to start now to cook the meat, and in a pot I'm going to be adding in my meat. I will add in the pepper mixture, that's the pepper and the onions. Okay, if you don't like onions in your soup, just skip it. Okay, so I blended my onions together with the pepper. I will add in my stockfish now, and then I will go in with my seasoning cube. I'm going to mix this to combine all this together. Then I'll add in water, just enough to cook this soup. Okay, because I don't want water in my soup. Okay, this is like vegetable soup. You don't need much water in your vegetable soup because the water leaf also contains lots of water, so you don't need extra water in the soup. So I'm just going to stir now, mix very well, and then I'll add in water, cover the pot and allow the meat to cook. So guys, let's check on our meat now. So guys, as you can see, the water is already drying up. Like you can see, the water is already drying up. So now I'll just add in my smoked fish. Then I will add in my crayfish. So I'm going to be adding in salt, okay, to taste. Because I've not added in salt, so I'm just going to add in salt. Then I'm going to mix this very well to mix all of this together. Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you're enjoying this video. If you have not liked this video, please help me to like the video. Okay, help me to click on the like button and you have liked the video. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? And don't forget to share this video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. So now I'll go in with my palm oil now. Just like your afan soup or vegetable soup, this soup requires a lot of palm oil, okay? You have to be generous in your palm oil, okay? So after adding the palm oil, I went in straight with my washed and cut water leaf. I'm going to cover the pot and allow this water leaf to cook, okay? Not for too long because I don't want it to overcook. So now the water leaf is cooked. I'm just going to mix up everything together. If there's any need for you to add palm oil again, you can go in with another palm oil, okay? So I'm just going to mix and mix, and then of course I added in extra palm oil. So at this point you can test for salt, and if you think you need to adjust it, go ahead to adjust it, okay? So now I'm just going to add in the last palm oil, okay, and then I will add in my bitter leaf. I'm going to cover this pot now and allow this to cook, okay, for extra few minutes, and then we'll come back. Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Have you? Look how delicious and yummy our soup is looking like. Let me know the swallow you'll be enjoying this soup with. Like, this soup goes well with pounded yam or fufu. Pounded yam or fufu, okay? Let me know the swallow you'll be enjoying this with in the comment section. Guys, look how delicious and yummy our bitter leaf and water leaf soup is. Like, if you want to enjoy your water leaf soup and you don't want to use any form of thickener, this is the best way to enjoy it, okay? Just use water leaf, okay? This is so yummy, so delicious. Like, you're enjoying both the vegetable soup and just like you enjoying afan soup, eating afan soup or vegetable soup, edikaiko soup. You will love it. This is so delicious. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and do all the beautiful stuff to this channel, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.